Hi, this is a review for the Samsung Calypso bagless cylinder hoover from Samsung, sent by AO. I'll start with the handle. It's a nice little handle, comfy, easy to hold. And the next one is very light to pick up, so it's easy to get around the house. Very light. It's easy to hoover with, even with the powerful, as you can hear, that's on max, and it picks up really well. The head I'm using at the minute is the pet brush. It's my favourite head because it works on carpets, rugs and hard floors. So I want to show you that. It picks up all the hair. I lose a lot of hair and it all comes up. I like this small one as well, which is dusting brush, because I'm quite small, so it can reach into high corners. You've got the furniture brush, which I like, gets into every crack and cranny. The only one I don't like is the two-step brush. When I hoover, it's on full power, it's too much and I can barely move it off the floor. I find it really hard to push it. I just don't think that one's very useful. I think the pet one's more universal. I like the pipe, how you can extend it, make it smaller and bigger, and change it. The only other bad thing, other than the head, is the on and off button. That's me pushing it on the left and nothing's working. That's it in the middle and nothing's working. But I push it on the right and it works. So I'm not sure about that, but other than that, I love the sleek design. I think it's very smart. I love the way it clips in there, and I like the metal pole as well. All in all though, nice little hoover, lightweight, easy to use, and I'll definitely recommend it to other family and friends. Thank you.